In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive not syncing in Windows 11. If you've been experiencing issues with your OneDrive not syncing properly, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving it swiftly. Let's get started. First, locate the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. Usually it looks like a little cloud, and if it's hidden, you might need to click the up arrow to reveal it. By clicking on the OneDrive icon, you'll open a small menu. From this menu, we're going to select Settings. This is where we begin to troubleshoot the synchronization problems. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Pause Syncing. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to pause syncing for a certain period. However, the goal here is actually to use this option to temporarily stop and then reset the syncing process. Once you've done that, look for the option to Quit OneDrive. This will completely close the application. Now let's move on to File Explorer. Open it up and navigate to the OneDrive folder. Here, you will find the option to restart OneDrive by clicking on Start OneDrive. This can effectively refresh the connection and might just be the fix needed to get your files syncing again. Another straightforward method that often solves a multitude of tech problems is updating your Windows and performing a restart. Keeping your system up to date ensures that any bug fixes or improvements to OneDrive have been applied. After the update, restart your device to implement these changes. If the previous steps haven't solved the issue, head back to the OneDrive icon in your taskbar, open the settings once more, and this time, navigate specifically to the Account tab. What you'll want to do here is unlink OneDrive. By doing so, you'll effectively log out from OneDrive on your PC. After unlinking, sign back in to restore your connection. This might help clear any mismatched settings or data that were causing syncing issues. These steps should help resolve your OneDrive syncing issues and get all your files up to date. Remember, these are simple troubleshooting tips, but they address the core reasons OneDrive might not be working properly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your OneDrive is back to working seamlessly. If you continue to encounter problems, consider checking Microsoft's support page for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.